My name is W.C. Clark, and I'm here for Texas Monthly Sound Check. And I'm going to do one song off my new CD, which is this one I got in my hand. Now, on the CD, it's a full band, but I'm doing solo here for this purpose. And the name of the song is No More. 1, 2, 3. There were times when I knew what I wanted, but I never did get a thing. There were times when I knew I was right, but I still had to bear the blame. There were times when there was so much pressure, it was hard to stand the strain. But no more, no more, no more, no more. No more, no more. Now I was blaming myself when things go wrong. Now I'm sitting right here by the telephone, waiting for a call like I usually do. But it seems like it doesn't matter to you. I want to give our love a second chance, but I feel in my heart you got another man. But no more, no more, no more, but no more, no more, no more. Don't you know that I've seen enough thunder and lightning to remind me of the pain? I won't go down that road again. I'll take advantage of the game. But no more, no more, no more, no more, no more, no more. Don't you know that I've seen enough thunder and lightning to remind me of the pain? I won't go down that road again. I take advantage of the game. But no more, 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 no more. I like that one.
That was a good one.
Yeah, I like that.
I like that one a lot.
All right. Thank you guys now.
Thank you.
Y'all make me famous.